Namaskar, welcome to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I am your instructor Neha. Welcome to day 26 of our 30 days fitness challenge. If you are practicing regularly, congratulations. You are way ahead and you are way closer to becoming a healthier version of yourself. Now your body is coming into a routine of practicing 10 minutes. So congratulations on that. If your family, your friends have not yet started it, please share this video to them so that they can also come in line. Now, those who are new to the channel, I would request you all to please first subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I keep on posting health videos, yoga videos, and healthier recipes and many such health and fitness tips. Now, before beginning, please sit comfortably on a mat, yoga mat, okay, and in an empty space where you can actually connect with yourself. Please sit comfortably into Siddhasana. Keep your left leg down, right leg up. Both the hands in Jnana Mudra, back straight and eyes closed. Breathe in, breathe out. Calm down. Focus only on yourself. Set your intention for the next 10 minutes. Relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Welcome back to the session, everyone. Now we will begin with the supine asanas. Please lie down on your back. Slowly roll down. Now keep both your legs folded. Both the hands on the side. We will go for bridge pose in continuation. Inhale and lift your middle body up. Exhale and come down. Inhale and up. Exhale and down. Very stably you have to do, no need to rush. Continue. Five, four, three, two, one, and relax. At the beginner level, if you're not able to stretch for 10 counts, you can go for always for 5 counts, okay? Relax yourself. Take a breath here. Inhale and exhale. Now keep both your hands on your shoulders. Fold both your knees. Okay, we go for twisting, lift and turn both your knees to your right. Okay, now you can keep your legs closer to your chest like this. You can keep it at 90 degree or you can keep it down. Wherever is possible and comfortable for you, you have to keep it here, okay? Now, at the beginner level, if your knees are not touching down, they are here itself. Just give them support with your leg, or with your right hand and hold it wherever you are. And slowly, this will also happen for you. Okay, and now turn your head to your left and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and opposite. Again, lift, turn knees to your left, neck to your right. You can use your left hand to push it gently. Relax. Now focus on your spine and relax your back. No pressure on your back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and again opposite to your right. Turn your head to your left and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and opposite to your left. Stretch and hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to your center. Legs down, hands down. Relax yourself. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. Now slowly turn from one side. Come on your stomach. Once you're here, keep shoulder level distance between your toes, which are pointing out. Okay? Both the hands beside your chest, chin on the ground. We are ready for our Bhujang Asana. Breathe in and lift your upper body up. And stretch. Try to roll back. No need to bring your shoulders closer to your ears like this. Okay? Try to bend your elbows, roll back. And now slowly down. Again up. Slowly down. 3. Down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 5. Down. 6. Down. 7. Down. 8. Down. Come on, last 2. 9. Down. 10. Down and relax. Just relax in Makarasana. Palms one over another. Forehead resting on it. Eyes closed. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Now put the hands under your shoulders, lift up. As it is, go to child's pose. Just for transition for a few seconds. Again, put the hands under your shoulders, lift up. And slowly come to your center. Now, sit like this. Okay, feet joining together, interlock your fingers, and we'll be going for butterfly pose. Start flapping your knees. Free movement of your knees. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Now only release your hands and press your knees down. Try to touch them down and release. Again down and release. Feel the stretch in your inner thighs. Go as deep as possible. Very nice. You all are doing great. Few more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Fold your legs. Sit here. Relax your legs, your stomach. Breathe in and out. Once you feel ready, sit comfortably for relaxation. Place a hand on your chest, a hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale and exhale. Focus only on your breath. Calm down. Once you feel ready, join your hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. All together. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hand. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for practicing with me. Also, I would like you all to please press the like button if you liked the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Until then, take care and bye-bye.